Milkshakes. A thick creamy side for our evening snacks. One of my favorite, one of everyone's favorite. Here are three most famous tastes that I would like to share. Each made differently with the delicious Kit Kat crunchy Oreos and a mind-blowing splash of authentic blend of coffee and cocoa. What are we waiting for? Let's cut to the chase. Take one scoop of the delicious vanilla ice cream. I prefer that. Take 1 spoon of sugar or as much you like and pour some milk. Here's a quick tip for using the milk. 5 minutes before this process you just freeze it a little bit so it gives the more frothier and lighter taste for the milk, and then add the Kit Kats. Just break it into similar small simple pieces and yeah, add more milk and ice cream, or just want to flavor it a little bit more or sweeten it. It's your choice. Blend the milkshake and make it smooth, and then it's a choice, but add more chocolate powder to give it a more cool chocolatey color and give it more sweetness and the chocolatey flavor which we all like, and give it a more blend to give the mixture a good color. It's fantastic now. So now just pour it in a glass and see the thick frothy feel of the chocolate ice cream and the milk. They have done their work, and a little bit crunchy Kit Kat gives it the best feel. Just give it a splash of whip and some chocolate syrup gives it the final touch of the Kit Kat milkshake. Now, Oreo. Oh, one of the most delicious and one of my most favorite. So same, take a scoop of ice cream, splash it with some sugar, and then add some frothy milk. Yum, it's already tasty. Then add bits of Oreo, fresh Oreo. Even with the cream, it gives the more vanilla flavor and touch to it. Yummy, so crispy and crunchy. Just break it into small pieces. Add just like a packet, like about 3 Oreos, and then blend it nicely till you get the nice mix of milk and Oreo. Then pour it in a glass of cup. It's the most simple milkshake ever. Add it with some whipped cream, give it a little bit chocolate powder, sparkles and all, and yeah, you're ready to go. Here's your Oreo milkshake, crunchy and tasty as always. Now for the most delicious coffee and cocoa blend. Here, take a scoop of ice cream, as you can see, some sugar and milk. Then here comes the touch, coffee. Yummy. Take, I just like more coffee, a lot of coffee, so I would prefer about 2 to 3 spoons, and you can add as much you like for the strong smell and strong flavor you would prefer. Add a coffee, then add some cocoa. So the cocoa and the coffee, both of them gives a more extra taste to the milkshake. So then blend it together well, and yeah, let's blend it. Blend. Yeah, see, once it's blend you get the leathery or nice brown color. Then just give it a touch with Hershey, nice design to the cup. Then pour the thick milkshake. Oh, so frothy and so, oh, that aroma is so breathtaking, it's so addictive, so nice. A great milkshake for the evenings. And similarly give it a whip, add more chocolate to it. It just increases the taste. These are the 3 main coffee Oreo and Kit Kat, the three most famous taste everyone likes and everyone wants to know. So yeah, and then since you are here till the end of this video, I would like to show you another added bonus one, the custard milkshake. For the custard milkshake you don't need ice cream because the custard mixture itself has slight essence of vanilla. So this is the main ingredient, the custard. I'll teach you in the next video where we make the custard fruit salad. Stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, like it, comment if you like this video and what or else you want to see in the future. So yeah, let's take that mixture. If you know it, let's comment it how we make it, and then let's give it a sparkle of sugar, milk, and blend it together till you get a light yellow color, and then here you're ready to go. It's just simple, just 20 seconds. Pour it in the cup, add your favorite fruits. I just prefer single tasty strawberry. So yeah, we are ready to go. This is the custard milkshakes, and here are 4 milkshakes and 4 of my favorites. Hope it's yours too. So here we come to an end. Hope you like our video and our recipe ideas, and be sure to like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe and comment what more you want to see next. And stay tuned at my Instagram too for the latest news and upcoming videos. And yeah, DM me for more recipes as always. Happy New Year to one and all, and may you all have an awesome year ahead. Thank you for watching, and if you excuse me, let me go and have my milkshakes real quick. 1 minute. Happy New Year once more to one and all. Enjoy this year 2019.